Good morning, everybody. Hey, aside from what I just said on my Facebook stories, never mind that. But I just want to wish everybody a blessed, terrific Thursday. That's right, people, terrific Thursday. You know, every day, almost every day, a lot of people ask me, oh, what, brother? Walking to work. I no more car, that's why. Get it through your head. Yeah, get it through your head, okay? I only get Foodmobile. My car model is Chevrolet, okay? They work. Never mind. Every morning, every evening when we come back from our shift, we do these things called DVIT. We inspect the vehicles to make sure they're good to go on the next day, which is what I love to do because I want to make sure the next person that uses the vehicle that I used, that they're safe. All right, keyword, safety. Let's go. Okay, today it says I'm getting 11 bags and 18 overflows of packages. Damn! Like large packages. So that's 18 plus 11 tote bags. Yes, sir. Give me Mililani today. Yes, sir. Gonna be my first one. Get it. Get it. I stay in center of Mililani. Town center of Mililani. I can't even find this person. So I'm looking for a store called Nahe Wahine or Vahine. I went across Mililani Town Center just to look for them, and it was in the middle. Shoes it. Delivered to Mililani High School, first time. Let's go. Shout out to you guys. Anania Circle is beautiful. Oh my god, this place is so quiet and safe. First time in here. Wow. This guy decides to freaking land on my van. Hey, excuse me, I gotta go to work. I'm sorry. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Look, we just got done. Helped out a brother of mine. Shout out to Smitty. Thank you for asking for my help. Mililani though. Mililani was, whew. We need to work on it, but I love the fact that the customers were happy because I had the chance to find their places and give them their packages, which made them very happy, and they really appreciated what I did. So that's why I love my job. Like I said, bruh, you deliver to them and they get that smile going. They're all happy, like, oh yeah, thank you. But this is why I love my job. I also love my team, Baba team. You guys are awesome. We cracked some jokes in there, but it is what it is. And yeah, you guys have a blessed night. I'm going home. It's my Friday today for Amazon. So I'll see you guys in a couple days. Get it.